What's up, everybody? This is your Uncle Ed. I am back again, your favorite uncle. Yes, always at it. Guess what? We've seen the future, and we're going to bring it to you today because we're seeing some stuff. I promise you, most likely has not come on your radar, but we're going to put it in your radar right now. I'm so excited to bring this to you because honestly, this is the future. We all know, right? We're 2 years into it about AI thing. It's everywhere. Everybody's talking about it. But here's the difference is I don't think this is a fad. I think this is going to change fundamentally planet Earth. I said it today. It's on video, so I've memorialized it. So you can come back. If it doesn't happen, you can come back and spank me because of it. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think you're going to find out that history is going to be on my side and that things are changing rapidly and it's going to change. However, here's the good news because you know me, Uncle Ed's always positive. I believe there's a lot of opportunity. One of the opportunities, we're going to talk about it right now, and that is land grabbing. So I brought the goat of land grabbing, investing, and she's here today to talk to us about this because I really think, on a serious note, this is something that whether you have a self directed IRA, you have some money, you want to diversify, and maybe you're not so happy with your portfolio, right? Whatever, all of the above. The reality is that land is finite, right? And the less of it means what? When there's laws of supply and demand, very easy, right? Goes up, exactly. Did you see her? She's already queuing it up. So we're going to talk about that today. How do we land grab so that in the future, developers come calling and pay you a huge premium? And guess who those are going to be? Did you know? Did you watch the Bloomberg thing? If you haven't, go look at the latest expose they did on the massive amounts of land and energy that is needed to power AI. Just look at NVIDIA, the number one. It is staggering. And guess what? They need land. So, on that note, Marcella Silva is with us. She's literally the expert on land grabbing, and she is seeing so much opportunity, and we're going to share that with you today. So, thank you so much, Marcella, for jumping on because I wasn't going to miss out on this opportunity to really make at least the people who watch me aware of this because it's going to be big.
Yeah. Thank you, Ed. And hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. And yes, it's not going to be big. It already is big. It is big in a way that people, just 15 years ago, we couldn't even imagine. One thing is for certain in life, change. Change continues to happen. And the people in the know, the billionaires, they follow the laws that make the change and understanding that. So, like Warren Buffett, everybody's favorite investor, guess what? He bought 9 square miles of land back in 2013 to build out a massive utility scale solar farm in the number one area in America for these projects. And he's making money from it. Energy. It's the new age oil well, alternative energy projects that are coming in at a very rapid pace because of government mandates, corporate mandates, and then all the things that use energy, which are
Which is everything.
everything,
Yeah,
right? We wouldn't be here right now without energy. And I don't know about you, Ed, but just walking my dog down the street, I have to watch out with these kids on their electric scooters and their electric bikes, and then the electric little like grocery cart thing that's delivering
100%.
to. And
I
then have
see it everywhere.
Amazon, the Amazon trucks, the FedEx trucks, what are those powered by? Electricity. And all of that continues to grow and grow and grow. And
Especially in
AI,
California, correct?
especially in California, because California says by the year 2045, 100% of California's energy must come from alternative energy sources. So most people, oh, that's not going to happen. That's impossible. We're already at 60%, ladies and gentlemen.
That, by the way, guys, when she told me this, I was shocked because I said, yeah, we're probably at about 3%. She was, no. She corrected me very quickly. We're at 60% of that goal. Uh, do you understand how huge that is? I mean, we're the fourth largest economy of the world, meaning the spinning pebble. Yes,
Fourth largest. Yes. And guess what helped us get there? Green energy. With all the amounts of money that it's creating in selling electricity. And just last week, California passed a new bill. Thank you very much, legislator, working for me as a landowner, because now we have a whole bunch of new customers in other states. California is going to start selling renewable energy to other states as well as powering their own state, as well as all of the energy needed for all the things, right? Electric vehicles, electric trucks, by the way, which is happening very fast. Here's another good question for you. How many gas nozzles are there compared to electric vehicle chargers here in California?
Ooh, that's a great Jeopardy question. I hear the Jeopardy music behind me. You're right. What is it?
There's 50% more electric vehicle charging stations than there are gas nozzles in California.
Get out of here.
More.
More. Yeah, yeah, no, I get it.
Like,
Okay.
so when people say, "Oh no, 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 da, 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 da," it's not going to happen. They've
I'm
already
telling you, I would have lost money betting on these things. Straight up. I'm not even joking. I would have never called it that number.
Yeah, it's huge. It's huge.
Wow, you really got my brain going. Did you see the smoke a little bit coming out
I
of
got a
my
little bit
my
of
ears?
smoke. Don't short circuit.
So, look,
Just
we could talk until we turn green, pun intended, but let's talk about some of these investments that or some of your investor clients, some of these success stories, because you told me one of them that which blew my mind. I mean, your minimum entry is 25,000 to get in, which is not a lot of money. And then tell me about that one lady that you helped her
yeah,
and how that grew. Now, keep in mind, guys, and none of this is a guarantee, but you know what? The only guarantees are taxes and death. So let's put that aside because we want to stay positive. But look, there's no more land, can't make more of it, and there's a huge demand for it. So give us a couple of case studies.
yeah. Well, and the demand keeps growing, so it's huge. Just real quick, as far as AI goes, AI kind of started, I would say, beginning of 2023-ish.
Yep.
And so they did a study from 2023 to about November of 24. So just less than 2 years to see how much energy AI consumed in the very beginning stages. It was equivalent to about 130% of all the homes in California alone. That's 20 million homes worth of
So,
energy just for AI
oh, I see what you're
in the very
saying. Yeah,
first two
yeah, yeah, yeah.
years.
Wow.
It's like,
That's
what?
nuts.
It's nuts. It's nuts. And
Wow.
so yes, owning the dirt that this energy needs. I mean, it's like the new age oil well.
It really
It,
is. Yeah.
it is. And that's what Rockefeller says. In America, you can create wealth with dirt, with land, because it's needed for
Yeah.
literally everything. It can never be replaced. It can't be hacked. It's like one of those
Can't be hacked. I love that part.
assets that we all use even when we don't even realize it.
Mhm.
So I had
Some
mentioned,
case studies. Yeah. Give
yeah,
me
one of
some.
my ladies, she bought a property 4 years ago. Never seen it, by the way, and it's just dirt. So all of our land is highly researched by our company that's been doing this for 46 years. This isn't just a hope and pray. There's a lot of science and research behind this and experience. And so bought a property for 80 grand. She's now selling it to a battery energy storage company for 900,000.
So not bad, right? From 80,000, 990,000 in 4 years. My question is, again, no guarantees, but even look, even if it went from 80 to 300,
Yeah.
how many of your investments are doing that? That's my real big question. I like to keep things simple and logical. So
It's
there you go.
simple.
This is an example. Does it happen to everybody? No, but you got a 42-year track record, right? Of people who
46 years.
research and locate these properties while you're at work doing your thing. That which means they're giving you the opportunity to make your money work while you're working so that you have to work less and pay less taxes. You know, if you're doing a 1031 exchange, this might be something you do. Either include it as part of it or put all the 1031 into it. That's up to you, but it's a wonderful opportunity for you to diversify. And instead of buying super highly speculative other investments that do a massive roller coaster, we know that land is always going to be needed. it's really kind of the bottom line. How do people get a hold of you besides your email address that I see
Sure.
there?
Yeah, dirtisgold.com. You can find us
Okay, great. Is there a
dirtisgold.com.
phone number they can reach you at?
Yeah, my phone number is 925-337-2513. You can also email me, Marcella, Marcella, at dirtisgold.com. And I do live webinars as well if you'd like to hop on one to just learn more. At the very
Yeah,
least, you're going to learn something new.
there you
You
go.
might be a little bit smarter than your neighbor.
Yeah,
Uh,
there you go.
no,
That's always my goal, is to be smarter than my neighbor
exactly
as
right.
much as I can, for sure. Well, get a hold of her today and talk to her. As you can see, she's very engaging, she's very knowledgeable, she's very approachable, much like Uncle Ed. And just call her, because she's not here to sell you snake oil or anything like that. It's not Amway, it's nothing like that. Give her a call and be in the know, because education is the one thing that nobody can take from you. So get educated is what I always say, and take action, because look, great ideas with no action are just great ideas. So
Right.
thank you so much, Marcela, for hopping on. I know it was a last minute kind of thing, but I needed to talk about this and send it out to everybody. So hopefully you were all blessed by this information. And thank you again for allowing that, Marcela. That was very, very awesome that you took me up last minute.
Thank you, Ed. I
Thank
appreciate
you. You
it.
bet. Take care.